You good?
Yeah.
Okay,
now we need to get the orientation.
Yeah.
So this is up because this has this nice cloud piece.
Okay.
Look how cool is this? Wait.
This is like a big marshmallow, isn't it?
Don't eat it. I can already tell that climbing on this workbench is going to be the easiest way to move around it. Being dyslexic, I'm always having to be, I always find workarounds. 10 and 3/16. And in fact, it took my teacher so long to diagnose me with dyslexia because apparently they said she's good at compensating. You know, and sometimes the workaround is just bunkering down and learning something, like learning SketchUp. That's like my main workaround for my dyslexia, and being able to do this on the scale that I do is putting the time and effort into learning a 3D modeling software. There we go. I'm tearing down the shop. I decided I didn't like it anymore, I needed bigger. It puts you into a different mindset whenever you do something kind of more art than structural or furniture wise, or even like a shop build wise, where you're constantly having to think through the technical side of things on how to make this joint and what adhesive to use. I mean, that's the simple stuff, but you know what I mean? It's just a different mindset to just take on an art project. Just way more flexible. Things like this don't pop into my head very often, but when they do, I'll take them on. You know, really what it is it's just, I think it's way more difficult to be thinking to myself, I want to do an art project, so let me go find that. Life is like stressful, so I just, whatever pops up that I'm motivated to go do, that's what I put my effort into. And it just seems to have a nice balance, you know, organically between shop and home, between outside and inside, metal versus wood. So that's a rambling answer for that question. One of the coolest things is being able to do something, like I'm really excited about this, and I love being able to instantly put it out and get an instant response on it. 11 9/16. Same thing with the board, being able to throw the finish on there and like be excited about how nice it looks. I know that if I throw it on Instagram, I can get an instant reaction, people being like, wow, that is really pretty. And that's satisfying, of course. All right, so I think my mountains are good. Now I just need to add in these snow ridges. What are they doing? It's drawing straight lines. Oh man, I'd already done these. I was all proud of myself. These are taking forever. Okay. I was just thinking how cool it would be if we put a light source and then shine through, but no. we're getting way out there now. I've already messed up my mountain. It went past my line. No, it's ruined. Burn it. I can't believe I did that. It'll probably be easiest to get this circle out first. I could have made it a tad bit skinnier. Okay, glue that in just a second, and then let's see down here. Okay, yay! No, don't you dare break. Okay. Nobody touch it. You know what? It gives it a story. Not only did I do it once, but I did it twice. I hope it's not one of those things where I'm like, I really should have left it raw. All right, don't let me paint those sky caps or those snow caps. Just a little bit more. Come on, brown. Okay, cool. There's one mountain. I'm really pleased with the way this is turning out. Okay. Ooh, look! Exciting. Mountaintop, I think. Or let's do the snow caps. So I'm thinking I want to go with this almond, but I need to dilute it with mineral spirits instead of water. Oh, I should be wiping this off as I go. Cool. That was not, I was supposed to be like cool, like, oh, done. All right, no more throwing things, April, stop it. I mean, I'm kind of digging the lines being bare. Yeah, let's go ahead and throw it up there though.
Get your corner in.
Done? Oh yeah, before I get carried away, did the lines look nice? Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's not as standout-ish as what I figured it would be, but I do like the little contrast that it gives it. All right, let me finish it real quick. Oh, I love it. I love the concept. And I'm really loving the colors. I really am like, I like the idea of doing the entire wall now. Yeah, and just more mountains. Or maybe some goats. I think I need some billy goats on the wall somewhere. Check it out. Oh my goodness. It looks so cool. I mean, it's awesome. And I know that it's big, but it almost looks so small. Yeah, it's such a big wall.